owayibopha kuyikhulula. Niyamuzwa usisi la. She speaks about contractual agreements between ANC and America. Kubalekile ukuthi si understand lento. Ngokuvotela iMK sikhulule iANC from contractual obligations abangeke bakhona ukusifeza. Since 1994 they haven't been consistent in producing the required outcomes as a stipulated kwi-Cortes since 1994. Sibabona ogogo behlele eParliament beno 80 beno 89 70 what they are not there because of their own liking, guys. I always said this. These people have so much money and their policies and retirement packages are so hefty, so to a point yokuthi if they were to retire they will live peacefully kamnandi, but that's not the case. Izinto zinjena because they have a contractual obligation to deliver, and since abakayideliver abakwazi ukuba free. Kunezinto akababanjwe ngazo ngoba behlele eParliament behleli kulezi ikhundla. The moment waqala wathi uyashukuma umuntu bamthumela ngezinja ziyamluma because the contractual obligation hasn't been met. Banikwa intambende. So what is happening here? Introduce MK banbe ANC. I hope this really changes your mind and make you vote for MK. We are freeing your political party from an obligation engakhoni ukuyimita. ANC fana nomuntu othenga imoto nge-finance, bank finance, and akakwazi ukuyikhokha. And ithola isikweletu si forever. Kodwa mayingayinika lo mjita lo le moto icala lakhe liyaphela, uba free. But that obviously comes with the consequence because izofuneka leyo moto and someone is losing. Yabo, Tina, we are willing to take the responsibility for that. Guys, Codesa minutes are not available anywhere because they manje. Ask yourself why. Ask yourself why. Why? So yonke lento mfethu ayisilize leze. Hamba mfethu uyojikijela la kumkhonto. You'll understand ukuthi umsholozi usho ukuthini mayethi uzohlenga iANC ngaphandle kwa iANC. And uzo understand ukuthi uthini umbalula mayethi Jacob Zuma will account for what he's doing. He won't account to Mbalula, no. They are greater authorities where he will have to account. But because he had built himself a foundation by aligning with the East, he's in a better position to do what is he doing. Welani, you won't regret. Ombalula sebencane ukusho ukuthi nabo basafuni bakhathele matamela ukhathele senqene ukusho ukuthi guys angisafuni, but he can't say that because he has a contractual obligation to honor. Free the people, guys. Baxakekile nabo. Let's free them. We are here. We are an alternative. We are here to free you guys from what you guys placed yourself to. But ombheka bakafuni ukuba honest bevume ukuthi ekuse bro . Sinikaxelisile. But the best way to resolve yonke land on behalf of South Africa is voting MK. Zibuze ukuthi o-IFP o-Action SA athini ama-terms and conditions alama moonshot agreement. What is the external parties that are involved in these moonshot agreements that are gonna tie the organizations after they get power, if they happen to get power? What are the deliverables? So moonshot agreement. Why do they even have to sign parts? Why are they signing? Why shikule? Yabo? That's where the shit really happens. It's before the storm. Ban basayinile, parasazi basayinelana. Thina sesiyathuka after sesibanikile i-democratic power by voting them in. Sebenza izinto esingazazi. It's because of the contractual obligations. And kumele siwacabanga. Cela nomlalela lo sis, and hopefully nzoba na amandla ukuhamba nolalela the full clip. But I just found this part very interesting and very important. Let's celebrate the victories and let's continuously conscientize people as to what is happening. Okwayibopa kuyikhulula. This is the exact case. But in this case, bazibopha so bakhulula. But uZuma was part of the mess. So naye wazibopha uyazikhulula. Okay, let's join hands and go vote MK, or the left wing, to be free.